I'm at the farm. Apparently the highway patrolmen are searching by here way over east, way over west, and over north here for a possible guy who stole something in a vehicle. And I don't see any cops yet. I just came from the town. I didn't see nothing. That noise you hear is our neighbors up there hauling grain, but the purpose of this video is to do an old start, cold start on my Avalanche. Oh, that tire looks low. Has been started since Friday, or Thursday, I should say. Yeah, I think Thursday. And the reason is the transfer case is cracked. And it's been sitting out here. I've been driving this Dodge diesel, everybody knows. It smells like raw diesel, I wonder if it's leaking. Just looking at the hood, make sure there was no cats in there, because usually these cats love, you can see they've been on the engine, and I don't want to cut them up in the fan. So I've been looking there. I didn't check the oil because it's off kilter anyway, so it don't matter. Hasn't been started. You can see the snow on the windshield. It snowed. So we got to move it up in the machine shed, and we're going to try to put JB weld on the transfer case to see if it'll hold. If it will, that'd be sweet. So let's do an old start, cold start here. Brrrs, them seats cold. Come on. It's hard to do this with one hand. Here we go. Boy, was that battery weak. Never seen it start that weak before. Wow, that's pretty good though. A Ford wouldn't start if it was sat that long. Let it run, warm it up, charge the battery. Hope you could hear it on the microphone. Yeah, see, it hasn't been started since Thursday, and it's today's Monday, or Tuesday. Almost a week. Oh, that tire looks low. I might have to check the pressure on that. Brand new battery in there. That's a power steering pump. Let's see if we can move this beast and put it up in the machine shed. Oh, I can't wait to get my truck going here. That Dodge is way too hard to... Let's see if we can move it here. Oh, that was a little slow going in gear. Didn't want to move. Huh. Should probably let it run for a while here and charge the battery, warm it up. Just park it here for now and let it run. Ooh, everything's so stiff. She's really charging. Yeah, she was pretty weak, but Chevys always start for me. I've never had a problem with them, just the F-150 5.4s. Alright, here's your cold start.